Hi, Jessie here. I'm so happy you found this video because it means you want to learn more about doTERRA essential oils. Specifically, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a rollerball. It's so easy. If you have doTERRA essential oils in your house, you need to know how to make rollerballs because it's just a fantastic way to get the oils on your body. It makes it convenient. It's a great thing to do for gifts for people. It's just awesome. You need to use rollerballs in your home. All right, so I'm going to teach you how to do that. It's so easy. All you need are your doTERRA essential oils. If you don't have doTERRA essential oils yet, I would love to be your essential oil mentor. My contact info is in the show notes. Please reach out. I can hook you up with 25% off all of your orders. So you get your essential oils at the best price. You get me as your oil mentor. And we're good to go. So essential oils, you need fractionated coconut oil, which you can buy that straight from doTERRA. Sometimes I do buy fractionated coconut oil from other sources. Just make sure it's good, organic, fractionated coconut oil. And you need roller balls. I'd make sure that they are glass roller balls with metal or glass roller balls as the ball, but you've got to have doTERRA essential oils. I'm only speaking to doTERRA, so just putting that out there. This is a roller ball. This is 10 milliliter size. I grabbed one out of my kid's room that needs to be refilled. What I like to do often for labeling, just throwing this out there really quick, you can buy sheets of these stickers that say the different essential oils and whatever oils I'm using. I will stick them on here, and then I take masking tape and I put that around them. And it's not, I mean, it looks pretty cute. I think you can get fancy labels done. You can do all of that. I've done it, but especially when I'm making them a lot and refilling them, they're in my kids' room. If I don't put that masking tape over the top, my kids are going to rip off those stickers, and I'm just going to have an empty brown roller ball that has oil in it and I don't know what's in it. So that's my trick, what I like to do. So with your roller balls, again, 10 milliliter size, you got the roller ball that goes on top, fractionated coconut oil, doTERRA essential oils. The rule of thumb when I am making my own roller ball is I like to do about 20 to 30 drops of essential oil and total, and then the rest of the way I fill it with fractionated coconut oil. You're going to find other recipes out there. I've even found some out there that the number of drops they say you need to put in the rollerball is more than would fit in the actual rollerball. So that's an indicator that they are not using doTERRA essential oils. But really, less is more. These oils from doTERRA are so pure, they're potent. A little goes a long way. And that's where I have found that 20 to 30 drops number is usually pretty good. You can always add more if you want later, but start there, okay? And it's gonna fill up, you know, about that much of your roller, the rest of the way fractionated coconut oil. And then it's safe to use for the whole family, and it's so convenient, so easy. We're gonna get started. Are you ready? So this roller ball that we are filling up, this is a cough roller ball that I have for my kids, and it has cardamom, lime, frankincense, and marjoram. When you fill your rollers, you're going to discover that certain oils come out slower or faster than others. That's totally normal. They just come from different sources, and so some come out faster, some come out slower. Be patient. The oil will come as long as you still have oil in the bottle. So I'm going to start with lime, and I'm going to do about 5 drops each. If you get a little bit more, it's okay. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I am left-handed, so I should switch and do this other way. And then now we're doing marjoram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I love doing roller balls as gifts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was frankincense. And now cardamom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That one came out really fast. I got 6. So now I've got my essential oils in here, and then fractionated coconut oil. I have found, and I like doing the essential oil first, and then I very carefully add the fractionated coconut oil. But I have a pump. If you don't have a pump, I would probably reverse it, and then just you don't fill your roller ball the whole way, and then add your oils at the end. I'm going to attempt to do this. Usually I have this down on a table, but here we go, because I want you to see for demonstration purpose. I like to put the tip of the pumper inside the roller ball. It helps with mess. And I just do little bit, little bit, little bit, little bit. And I fill it. Can you see? I've filled, I don't know if you can, but trust me, it's filled right about there. And then we've got the roller ball right here. And these are the doTERRA ones. I love them. And I do put it down on the table for this. And you just pop it in. And then I like to whoosh, whoosh, whoosh like this. And you are good to go. And you are ready to use your roller ball. Is that amazing or what? So easy. recap. You need your essential oils. doTERRA essential oils. If you don't have an essential oil mentor yet, let me be that person for you. Reach out. Information is in the show notes to get in touch with me. You need fractionated coconut oil. You need your glass roller balls. That is it. And you are set. So please, if you have questions, write them in the comments or shoot me an email. Every Thursday, I release a new video here on YouTube. And if you haven't yet, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel so that way you can get notified when I release other videos. But we will talk soon, and I hope you have a great day.